This is the Unice Go Glueless wig, and this is how it looks right out of the box. So it is a balayage with a blonde, and I feel like there is the perfect amount of blonde to black ratio. There's not too much blonde, there's just enough for a highlight. And as per usual, Unice, this is a high quality wig. So it does come with the band in the back to secure it, and then this is how the lace looks. I've done absolutely nothing to it at this point. So it already comes cut, the lace comes cut, it comes plucked, and it comes with the knots bleached. So you're literally just putting it on your head and perhaps tinting the lace if necessary. And you'll see here that there was absolutely no shedding. So it is a very high quality, well constructed wig. And as mentioned, because it's already, all the work is already done, you just plop it on your head. So of course this is how I looked just putting it on, and I realized, okay, I need to tint this lace, but already it looks super good. So all that needs to be done is the lace tinted, and yeah, and the color, like it's really nice. I know for me sometimes I shy away from the blonde hair, but this is the right amount of blonde. So at this point, I'd already gone ahead and tinted the lace, and you can already see the difference with the lace tinted. Again, that's all I had done at this point, just tinted the lace. And if you keep watching, you'll see as I went through and I used a hot comb just to kind of flatten the top a little bit. And again, you don't have to, it just gives it a more like kind of growing out your head scalp, real scalp look. And then I also go through with some mousse and just kind of, zhuzh the curls. But again, you don't have to do that either. I know a lot of people do that just to, again, give it a more realistic look, and so that it's just not as puffy. So this is me just going ahead and adhering it. Now again, it is glueless, but I did want to keep this on for a while. And just when it comes to using the hot comb, I find it easier if it's already adhered to my head, like then it's not just like sliding all around the place. So yeah, keep watching to see how I styled it. And of course, you'll notice at the end that the lace is a little bit noticeable, but you'll see in the very last frame that it's just because it was still a little bit like wet from the the lace spray and also from the mousse that I used, but you'll see in the very last frame that again the lace is undetectable.